guys, Theresa here. Have you ever wondered how you can create a QR code for your Instagram? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. What you need to do is go to your home page here at the bottom, tap into your profile picture, and then go to the hamburger icon and tap onto QR code. You can add a photo of yourself, like a selfie photo of yourself. Here it says retake. I want to tap into that and take a photo of myself. There we go. I can have hearts as eyes, moustache, glasses. What you can also do is do a screenshot of your QR code and put it on your website as well. That's an idea where, if people are coming across your website, they can just quickly scan it and add you. If you enjoyed this video has helped you, give me a big thumbs up because it really helped out my channel. That's all I have for you today, and I'll see you on the next one.